Do you know many people are having trouble with removing spark plug sockets from their lawnmowers? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Turn off engine. Ensure that the mower's engine is turned off completely to prevent any accidents or injuries. Step 2. Stabilize mower. Position the lawnmower on a stable and flat surface to keep it from moving during maintenance. Step 3. Locate spark plug. Locate the spark plug on the engine, carefully identifying its location for the next step. Step 4. Detach socket. Grip the spark plug socket firmly and pull it away from the spark plug to detach it. Step 5. Handle with care. Handle the spark plug socket with care to ensure no damage is caused during removal. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully remove the spark plug socket from your Stihl RM 248 lawnmower. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Stihl users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.